how does he do it? My name is Bertcamkan. I love to explore the outdoors. My motto is to relax and enjoy the ride of life. And to put that in practice, I ride my trusty BMW to explore Europe's back roads. In this episode I will give you some insight in what equipment I use and how I compile YouTube videos. Of course, you have met my old 1200 GS BMW motorbike. I take good care of it to keep it in an excellent shape. It must shine in a lot of my travel videos. I use two DJI Osmo action cameras, so I can switch between one and another to give you some more perspective. I use a chin-mounted camera position on my helmet to give you my view when I'm riding the bike. The mount near the windscreen looks backwards, so you see me having fun when riding the back roads. Lately, I have added a Canon R50 camera to the equipment family. It is a camera with an APS-C sensor. It shoots excellent outdoor shots. The two zoom lenses together have a range from 18 to 210 millimeters. That allows me to put some more detail in the footage or bring faraway scenes closer to you. I love to be a drone pilot. My DJI Mini 2 suits me well. By flying the drone, I can give you the magnificent bird's eye views of the scenic surroundings. It really complements the other cameras. Drone shots can bring some drama to the video. I do believe that pictures tell the story. You maybe wonder how we make these drone-like shots on the road. Well, we use a special setup for that. That starts with a frame that can be fit to the motorbike. My companion engineered and constructed this sturdy setup. The frame can hold an extendable action camera stick. Once the frame with the stick is fitted to the bike, I can add the camera and extend the stick to my liking. You can either use it forward facing or looking backwards. I love the footage that comes out of this. In my snow adventures, I use the same extendable stick, but then it is handheld. These shots are edited with DJI software to delete the stick out of the footage. The stick's shadow gives the deletion of the stick kind of away. But this way you can look over our shoulders as we surf the slopes, so we can enjoy the ride together. I do all editing on my iMac computer using iMovie. The software gives me room enough to explore my own creativity. I enjoy running through the raw footage to relive the actual adventures. This look behind the scenes was more a technical episode. I hope you enjoyed the making of the Bertcamkan videos. Please like and subscribe in order not to miss the episodes to come.